Alright, so how can we export the same table from Autocad into Excel file? As you can see in the same Autocad file, I have this closed traverse and of course a table containing some informations related to the same traverse. Now in order to export the same table into Excel file, the first thing I'm going to save this on the desktop. So I'm going to click on the file and of course save. A dialog box appeared and I'm going to save this on the desktop and let me just say coordinates table. Okay, this is the name. I'm going to click save. Let me close in AutoCAD and let's just open CAD Reader. I'm going to open the same file using CAD Reader and of course you can click open and then open files. That's on the desktop and of course coordinates table. I'm going to specify that and then click open. As you can see, it is the same drawing, the same closed traverse and of course the same table. Now I can extract this information or you can say the same table into Excel file. That's very simple. You can click on the VIP and then of course extract table. Now there is also another way. You can right click in the working space and then of course extract table. And let me just have some window. You can say cross window like this. And then of course you can left click to confirm the selection. As you can see, a dialog box appeared for the results. Now in the save type, I'm going to choose save to new file because I don't want to save this data into existing file. And of course I'm going to specify the path. You can click these three dots and of course I'm going to save this on the desktop. Let's just name it and of course coordinates table Excel file. Save and save again. As you can see, it is the same data in the same Excel file. You can see that, okay? This is a pretty nice way to export some tables from the AutoCAD into Excel file. See you in the next video.